Asia's uncommon phenomenal box office superstar, Twice Ganda! 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's so in my head, but I want confirmation. I don't want to run, but I'll take this city. Who can play my crown? Don't be hot, not pretty. Baby, do you like me? Lady, do you dance with me? It's like a 190 degrees. Do it with me, do it with me. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, snap and clap and touch your toes. Raise your hands up, water up, dancing out the hot to go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, snap and clap and touch your toes. Raise your hands up, water up, H-O-T-T-O-G-O. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, can't take me hard to go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, can't take me hard to go. Baby, do you like to be? Lady, do you dance? It's like 199 degrees. Do it with me, do it with me. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. Raise your hands up on the road. Make some noise with the people. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. Take me hard to go. 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 H-O-T-T-O-G-O. Diyos ko. Kala niyo si Kim Kardashian, no? Nung tinitigan niyo, Kim at Chensa naman. Okay, thank you so much, G-Force. Lagay mo na yung sa likod, huwag mo iuwi, hindi pa bayad yan. Okay, uhulog-hulugan ko pa yan. Marami-rami pa akong bubunuin dito. Oh my God, I'm so happy to be here! What's up, Batang England? Ayan, nag-sink in na sa inyo na ako yung nasa harapan niyo. Kasi kanina, nung tinawag yung pangalan ko, wala pa ako naghihiyawan kayo. Pero nung lumabas ako, parang nabigla, natulala. But it's okay, I fully understand. I understand. Alam kong hindi nyo inaasahan na ganito ako maganda sa personal. Diba? Pag nakatalikod ka, alam mo, heart evangelista, diba? Pag harap, cheese, escudero, chat. O joke lang ha, joke lang. Komedyante ako. Kapota kayo, nakakalimutan nyo yun. Komedyante. Ah! Diyos ko! May isa pang blandina. Did you get the memo? Only one blonde is allowed in the room today. Diyos ko. Kausapin nga natin to. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Molly Palma from Samoy.
Molly!
And I live here in Birmingham.
Oh. How long have you been living here in Birmingham?
I live here for the last 24 years.
24 years ka na dito, pero parang hirap ka pa rin mag-English. Okay lang yun. Diba? Kasi hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon nag-i-English ngayon, lalo na kung kasama mo sila mga Pilipino din, mga taga-Samar din. Diba? What do you do here in Birmingham? What is the nature of your existence?
I'm a registered nurse at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital. The royalties king and queen maker.
Beauty queen maker? Beauty... Nagtitrain ka na ng beauty queen? Eh, ba't oily ka? Dapat fresh yung mga beauty queen. No, it's okay. But I really appreciate your effort of, looking this fabulous today. We appreciate, I can feel that you are very excited to see all these stars from ABS-CBN. Are you having a great time so far?
Yes, so far, I'm very happy that I finally meet you. Actually, they're a common friend. Michael Cinco is a friend of mine.
Oh yeah, Michael Cinco? Is he your friend? Really? Why? Charot ang taray. Okay, nice to meet you. Yung mga Pilipino pala dito sa Birmingham, amoy araw din. So, bakit ka amoy araw? Eh, mahamot naman sa paligid. Umuulan nga. Okay, dito ako sa taas para mas makita yung kagandahan ko, para hindi malugi yung mga nasa likod. You deserve to see this beauty. Thank you very much. Atake, aura con aura. Okay. This guy wearing glasses is being staring at me differently today. I assume he's not Filipino. You're not Filipino. You're British, sir? You're British. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. Ay, maganda ako sa LE. Ayaw makita eh. Hindi ko makita eh. Yeah, you're British and the woman beside you is your wife. Congratulations. I would like to personally congratulate the both of you, especially the husband. Excuse me. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, madam. What?
He came here to see you.
Oh, you came here to see me? Why? Do I look like your father? Does your father look like me? Are you looking for him? No. What is your name? James. Is that correct? Your wife just told me that you came here to see me. Is that right, or he's just pulling my leg? Don't pull my leg. Pull something else. I'm just kidding. Is it true?
Yes, true.
Why? Why are you looking forward to seeing me?
When I lived in the Philippines, I really enjoyed the shows when you were on.
So you watch Showtime all the time?
Yeah, when I moved.
Every day?
Yes, yes.
That's not true. We don't air on Sundays. We only air 6 days a week. How can you tell me that you watch Showtime all week, all days of the week? But it's okay. You watch Showtime every day. So do you see, do you know Ann Curtis?
Yes.
She's one of the ugliest personalities in the Philippines. One of the ugliest faces. Oh my God! If you get to see her in person, the skin is so awful. Oh my God! Yeah, and she smells so bad. No, I'm just kidding. Ann Curtis is my sister, and she's a wonderful, beautiful human being. Yeah. So, how old are you? Ate, pa-picture ka na pa-picture na ako. Bakit tourist pa? Nakita mo may kausap ako, di ba? Tapos pa-picture na, hindi naman ako tourist pa. Okay. What?
I love you so much.
Thank you very much, but I cannot return the love. You're a woman. I'm sorry, I don't eat seafoods. I only eat century eggs. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I'll give you a kiss. Thank you very much. How long have you been together?
Since 2013.
20, so ako pa magkukompute. 25 minus 13, 12 years. You've been together for 12 years. How was it? Amazing so far. So, how was your life? Very active?
Yes.
What part of your married life is very active? Everything. Oh my goodness. Can I join the activity? You know, just once a week. No. Yeah, so thank you very much for taking care of my my fellow Filipina here. And yes, sincerely, honestly, I would like to congratulate you because marrying a Filipina is the best choice, best decision that you have ever made in your entire life. The Filipinos make the best wives in the whole world. Filipinos are very hospitable. And once you have sex with them, you go straight to the hospital. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Why are you wearing glasses? I want to see your beautiful eyes. Oh my God! Amazing! You have 2 eyes. Yeah, just like me. Awesome. Alright, okay. Nice to meet you. Okay. I love you, ate. Mag-ingat ka. Taga-saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Quezon City.
Quezon City, naku, tamang-tama, bahang-baha ngayon sa Quezon City. Buti na lang nandito ka. Diba? Ano ito? You're giving me a ring? I'm married. What?
Friendship ring.
Friendship ring. Oh, thank you. I can take the ring, but I cannot take the friendship. I've got a lot of friends already. I don't plan to add anyone anymore. No. Why are you giving me a friendship ring? I'm not expecting this.
Because I'm really proud of you. I saw you 10 years ago in London, and you've come a long way. And you're really smart, big-hearted.
Oh my God, thank you. That melts my heart. What?
I hope it fits you.
I hope it does too. Is it real or just... It's real? I will find a way to fit it. Oh my God, perfect. I want the necklace also. It's really Is it important to you? It's not important to you. You have to help your poor fellow Filipinos. Yeah, thank you. You're Filipino also, di ba? Saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Manila.
Manila? Ay, bahatid doon ngayon! Di ba? Kaya ang swerte-swerte natin, di ba? Dumating ako dito sa London, slight maloka din ako, kasi sabi ko, ay umuulan, ulan ng ulan. Pero sabi ko, okay lang, may flood control naman sila dito. Kaya okay lang mag-umulan, safe naman kayo. Di ba? Sa Pilipinas kasi, umihi lang si Lord, pang-bahanan. Okay. I love you too so. Alam mo, ang kapal ng mukha ko, tinanggap ko talaga yung sing-sing. Parang, bigla ko na pag-isip, am I supposed to accept it? Of course! Oh. Bakla. Sa dinabi-nabi ng artistang nag-perform, ako nang nabigyan ng sing-sing. Yes. Kano kaya sangla nito? Okay, thank you very much. Okay. I love you too very much. Kanina pa kayo nandito, aga-aga nyo tumatay, tama? And we are very grateful dahil up until now, ang taas pa ng energy nyo as if we just started. Give yourselves a big hand. Tamang-tama kong energy. Kasi tingnan nyo, kung saan tuturo itong kamay ko, tingnan mo, magwawala yung tao dahil mataas ang energy nila. Wow! Iba! Party ang mga tao. Since party mode kayo, I would like to invite everyone to stand up. Let's stand up and dance. Do you guys want to dance? Why did you go to the disco? Why did you go? Okay. So, kung saan ituturo ang kamay ko, gusto kong makita kung paano sumayaw ang mga kapamilya natin dito sa England. I wanna see how you guys move. Paano ba mag-party ang mga Pilipino sa Birmingham? Kasi sa Pilipinas, sa mga tao doon, ganyan-ganyan na lang, hindi na masyadong sumasayaw kasi nga mahihawak ng cellphone. Diba? Pero dito, iba daw mag-party ang mga Pilipino eh. Okay? Tignan ko nga, tignan ko. So, patugtugin nga natin yung saliw ng kanilang pagsasayaw. Kung saan tuturo ito, patingin lang ng sayaw ha. Patingin ang kapamilya energy. Go! Matakot sumayaw, katawan ay ikalaw. Sige, sumayaw ka! Shake it, huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Shake it, let's go! Yeah! Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Let's go! Huwag kang matakot sumayaw. Yung mga nandito doon, iba ang vitamins yata dito sa England. Tingnan mo, may mga senior citizens na pero sumasayaw pa. Sa Pilipinas, 16 years old pa lang, pagod na yung mga itsura. Si ate, okay. Gusto mong sumayaw? Ay, may ipapartner ko kasi yun para lalo kong sumayaw. Nasaan si Robby Domingo? Robby, pwede mo bang partneran itong si ate? Kasi iba siya, gusto niyang sumayaw. Pwede kang, ayan, pwede ka bang makakaikit pa si Robby? Ah, okay. Ano pangalan mo ate?
Nemi po.
Nemi, pangalan pa lang, alam mo, chismosa. Nemesis, ganyan. Nemi, gano'n na po kayo katagal dito sa England?
20 po.
20 years na. Ano pong trabaho nyo?
Nurse po.
Nurse din. Ipinagpupuni ng buong Pilipinas lahat ng Filipino nurses sa buong mundo. Lalo na ang mga Filipino nurses dito sa England. Ipinagpupuni namin kayong lahat. Lahat kayo, mga mahuhusay na nurses, mararangal na nurses, mga nurses na may dignidad. Kaya maraming nurses ang nandito na nag-call and sick, pero ang totoo wala naman sakit, gusto lang manood na talaga ng call. Charot na. 20 years na po kayo. May asawa po?
Wala po, iwanan.
Ano po?
Wala po.
Wala po. Bakit? Kasi may plema kayo, kayo umalis na asawa. Kung tinura nyo agad yan, magkakaroon yan makasama pa rin. Lumipat sa kapitbahay o kaya ano na. You deserve someone better.
I don't like anymore.
You don't like anyone. You deserve your love.
Wala kang showtime.
Talaga po. Sino po kung pinakapaborito niyo sa showtime?
Siyempre po ikaw tsaka si Kim Chu.
Ah, yes. Siyempre, ang babanggitin ng pangalan kung sino yung nandito. Ako at saka si Kim Chu. Yung iba wala naman dito, wala naman silang babanggito. Sino po?
Pero talaga ikaw tsaka si Kim Chu lang.
Ako at saka si Kim Chu. Gusto mo ba maging mag-love team na lang kami ni Kim Chu? Pero bukod sa amin, nanonood ko din ng ASAP, gusto kong ipakilala sa iyo, isa sa mga pinakamahuhusay at pinakagwapong host ngayon sa Pilipinas, Robby Domingo. Oh, tinitigan mo, nahiya kang humawak na sabi, ay, ang gwapo.
Opo.
Ang gwapo, di ba? Naalala mo bigla yung mga bagay na hindi mo na nagagawa pag wala na
Siguro po kayo.
Siguro po. Opo, si Robby Domingo po. So, kayo po ay sumasayaw.
Opo.
Pwede po ba kayong sumayaw with Robby Domingo? Ano po?
Anong klaseng saya?
Kahit anong nasang sayaw po. Kahit ano, kahit tanggalin mo yung bra mo, wala ka nang pakialam. Ay, mother, nagpipiro lang. Mother, dahan-dahan lang naman. Ayaw naman namin makakita ng dry prunes. Hindi pa kumakain na ibang tao. Ano po?
Nakamahubo.
Nakamahubo? Okay lang. So, ready ka? Kahit anong klaseng sayaw, sasamahan ka ni Robby. Pag nagustuhan namin ang sayaw mo, may kiss ka kay Robby. Po? Yakap na lang. Ba't ayaw mo ng kiss?
Kasi
Oy, nalilibugan, magalibugan, magpipigil. Ano po? Wala nang asim. Okay lang. Kumakain naman ng abdo yan. Okay ang pain. Okay ang pain. Okay, mother, pwede? Okay. Play! Huwag kang matakot sumayaw, tatawanin mo na ako. Sige, sumayaw ka! Perfect! Mother, sa sayaw mo halatang ang tagal mo nang walang asawa. Yung mga ganito mga kahit doorknob, papatulan. Ito yung mga sabik na yung kahit paan ng kama hahalikan. Mother, ang galing. Anong masasabi mo, Robby? Nabuhay ako. Buhay ka, di ba? Imagine mo yung nanay mo, kanya magsayaw, ikagala ko ba kung matuloy mo? We super liked it. We loved your energy at saka masaya kami na sa edad mong yan, ano man ang nangyari sa paligid, nakakakita ka pa rin ng maraming dahilan para magdiwang at magsaya. Yes, yan ang tatak ng mga kapamilya, tatak ng Pilipino, di ba? Tatak showtime. I love you. Hahat ka ni Darren, hahat ka ni Darren. Ay, ni Darren, ni Robby. Pasensya, bakla na, tanga pa. Ayan, hinag po kay ni Robby. Thank you. I love you very much. Thank you. Thank you po. Okay. Sino pa? Sinong gusto pang sumaya? Sino? Si Darren. Ay! Bibigyan na kita ng bonus. Dalawa. Kyle, samahan mo to, Kyle. Ayan na. Dalawa ang partner mo, ha?
Hello
si
po.
Kyle at saka si Darren. Ayan. So, bigyan nyo nga ako ng idea kung paano kayo sumayo. Sweet lang po ba yung pagsasayaw nyo or wild? Just like what the first lady did earlier. Bungol po kayo. Hindi. Paano po kayo sumayaw? Sweet lang or wild?
Sample po.
Do you want cha-cha?
Oh!
Whatever you want, ma'am.
You stay in the middle. Kailangan ma-sandwich ka ni Kyle at saka ni Darren. Okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go! Hey, hey! Huwag kang matakot sumayaw at tawa.